Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making blueberry butter swim biscuits, a 5-ingredient tasty little treat. For that I'm going to need a package of blueberries or a cup and a half of frozen. Need a cup and 1/4 of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons and a half of granulated sugar, 2 cups of self-rising flour, and a stick of butter melted. Shouldn't be that complicated, so let's go. First off, I sifted my flour to make it have an air to it. Putting in that sugar, and I'm going to mix this in thoroughly so our dry ingredients are thoroughly combined. Next, we add in little intervals of buttermilk until the dough is coming together into a sticky, shaggy ball of dough. And last but not least, I'm going to be mixing my fresh blueberries into our dough. I've already started by putting half of that butter into the bottom of my pan. To that, I'm going to add the dough. Start spreading it out until it covers the whole pan. And finally pour the last of that remaining butter pretty evenly over the biscuit mix. And this is going to go into an oven that's preheated to 450 for the next 25 minutes. And once those 25 minutes are over, they'll be lovely and golden. I'm just going to put cuts in them already, so I've cut it into 6 pieces. And let's make some frosting to go on top of those while they cool. Alright, to make a lovely glaze, I just need about a tablespoon of milk and a cup and a half of powdered sugar. Doesn't seem like a lot, but once you combine it, it'll make an amazing glaze to put over our biscuits. Alright, I've cut up one of the biscuits. Almost has a cake-like thing going on here, but I'm going to take off a piece of it. Try it on out. Looks amazing. Well, these are amazing. The top is very crispy. Not in like you can't eat it way. Just super crispy. I love it. The inside is cooked perfectly. They are probably pretty much more biscuits than cake. I just was getting a better bite with the spoon. But once they all room temperature and soak in, I'm sure you can just pick up one and nom it. This is so good for 5 ingredients. You need to make this. I don't get to recommend many of these, and this one I recommend you make. So, stop watching this video, go get the ingredients, and make them. But, if you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment about it. I will see you in our next one.